Before we start anything, let's install Godot. Go to the official website, godotengine.org, and download Godot Engine. Then unzip your file, and you are ready to go. There is no complex installation process. Now, when you launch Godot, the first thing you will see is the project manager. This window lists all of your projects. You can open an existing one or create new one. Since this is your first time, let's click New Project. Type in a name, choose a folder, and remember every project lives in its own folder. This keeps your files organized and portable. Use a clean naming style like Getting Started instead of something random like New Project 23. And then create your project. Welcome to the Godot editor, where you will spend most of your time.